Hello guys, today we're gonna see a comparison between DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. DeepSeek AI is making waves, shaking financial markets, and even getting called a wake-up call by former US President Donald Trump. But what makes it so special? Let's break it down. In just 1 week, DeepSeek became the most downloaded free app in the US. Why? It delivers AI performance at a fraction of the cost of its competitors like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. It matches ChatGPT in writing assistance, generating blog posts, summaries, and creative content faster and cheaper. It even wrote an entire children's story instantly, something ChatGPT only provided ideas for. AI experts, including Google Chrome's dev lead, are calling DeepSeek a game changer for coding, one searcher, and solving problems. DeepSeek delivers concise and accurate summaries covering topics like history, science, and finance, competing directly with US giant. Experts believe we are just scratching the surface, like how James Watt revolutionized the steam engine. DeepSeek could be the next major breakthrough in AI. What do you think? Will DeepSeek overtake OpenAI and Google? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news.